I know by the time this video has been posted, I will have missed the boat. But this is my entry for both the Rockler plywood challenge. This is a shoe rack made from one sheet of plywood. Also, this is my entry for Valentine's Day as well. So here I am in the SketchUp program. First, what I used was the rectangle tool, and what I have to do is put in the measurements to determine the size of the base. Then I use the push-pull tool to give me the height. After using the push-pull tool, just zoom in a little. I take the measurements from the top to give me the distance of the top. This will be the countertop. This will be the part that you're sitting up on the seat of the shoe rail. Then I rotate slight to give me my pencil distance right away around. So doing this will create the 3/4 stop, and then I simply pull out 1/4 inch, because it's just a 1/4 inch overhang I will have right away around. So this will determine the overhang for the top. I have to pan and zoom in to get it on all 3 sides. I hope that if you haven't already, like and subscribe and ring the notification bell. So what I did beforehand, fast forwarding, I'm trying to work out the base. This is the base for the kicker for the shoe rail. I marked out that section. Then I would make the kicker around, say, inch to inch and a half. That's the distance that I want inside. Then what I'm doing now, I'm going to use the offset tool and take 5/8 from the circumference. I'm going to send it back 11 inches, and that will create my opening to the back. So there you have it, the shell already for the shoe rack. Next, what I will do is try to erase the marks that I hold there for the offset tool. This is so that it wouldn't give me any funny shapes. So after this, I'm going to create the shelving for the horizontal shelf. Sorry about that. I'm going to make it a group so that the other parts I make don't stick on from the existing drawing. So what I'm going to do is make the shelving for this is the middle shelf for the shoe rack. So all I do is take the current dimensions with the rectangle tool, push and pull is 5/8 ply I'm using. So that's the center for my shelf. And then what I need to do now is make that a group so the other shelf won't stick on from that. And then I'm going to make the divisions right now, the partitions. How I make the partitions is almost the same way I did to make the center shelf, which is just take the dimensions with the rectangle tool from end to end and push and pull 5/8. So there you see it. So what I do now, after this, I'm going to move the shelf. I made some slight mistakes there. But after this, what I'm going to do is make it a group. I would move it straight to the end. So if you haven't already, like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and yeah. So as you can see, I moved the shelf right onto the end with the bottom shelf, with the center shelf. What I do is select the shelf and move the center point of the shelf to the center point of the opening, and it snaps right in position. So as you can see, I took the end shelf right into the other partition, the existing partition. So I'm taking the midpoint of that shelf and I'm going to copy it. Use Control. Click Control to copy while you're using the move tool. These little shortcuts, knowing them on the keyboard comes in very handy. So as you can see, a plus sign is added to the move tool. I have to select that shelf. So I select the shelf first, click the move tool and Control, select the center of the shelf, and I'm going to move it from this end to the opposite end. And then select slash when it's pierced. Right, I'm putting it when it's pierced in the position. When it's pierced in position, I'm going to select slash times 3, meaning 3 spaces. And there you have your center shelves in position. So the bench is laid out. What I'm going to do is delete the excess shelving that I don't want here, and I'm going to add some color to this drawing just now. This is what I want. As you can see, I'm rotating it to show you this is the results I'm looking for. So select the paint tool. I'm going for red. This is a deep red I'm looking for. Yes, that color, that red is a lot better. And I've painted the whole thing in red. So this is to mimic the existing, this is to mimic the actual shoe rack. So I will take you to the real thing now, and you can compare with the drawing. This is almost exact. So this is the final product. Just need a little dusting. So I will wrap this now and carry this here to the customer. As you can see, it has 6 wide compartments where you can put 2 sets of shoes side by side. It's for a private home, so it doesn't need to be that big. You can sit on top of it and undo your shoes and put them inside. 6 compartment shoe rack, 1 sheet of play in Valentine's red. So if you guys haven't before, like and subscribe, hit that notification bell for future videos that I will bring to you, and smash up that like button. You know guys, I need all the support that I can get. Alex, Woodworkindude, See you in the next one.